This electric mason jar sealer kit comes with everything you need to work with both small, large mason jars, even bags. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. In the package, you get the sealer, USB recharging cable, a clip, can opener, 2 different size mason jar lids, a couple bags, and instructions. This is so easy to use. Simply put the lid on, center the rubber gasket on the center of the lid, press the on button. It will turn off automatically when it's done. That's it. Then gently lift it. Now my coffee beans will stay nice and fresh. The one-button simplicity is so easy to use, even children can do this. This effectively removes the air, keeping your item fresh up to 5 times longer. Using the bag is just as easy as the jars.